Assalamualaikum guys, once again I'm back with another quick tutorial. In this video I'll show you how to add or remove the taskbar weather report from here. In Windows 10 and Windows 11 mostly it's a new feature, so it's available in Windows 10 the latest version, and Windows 11 in Windows 11 it's available. Now a lot of people don't have this feature because they are using the older version of Windows operating system. If you don't know which operating system, the version, the edition you are using, then simply click on the Windows icon, then type here WinVer and hit enter. You will get all the details related to your operating system. Now you can see Microsoft Windows version 21H2 OS build 19044.1706, that actually I'm using in 22, the latest version. Now you can easily update your Windows operating system. If you don't know how to update your operating system, just click on the Windows icon, then go into the settings, scroll down, find the update and security. After going here, you can see here now already I am downloading another update for my operating system. But in your case, you can simply see here the search button for updates. Just click on it and you will get all the updates. If there's issues here, then simply you need to go into the troubleshoot options and then additional troubleshoot options, and simply here you can see Windows update. Just click on it, run the troubleshoot, and it will scan all the informations, all the issues related to your Windows update and fix it automatically. I'm not gonna do it completely because I'm already updating my operating system and it's working super fine for me, so I'm not troubleshooting it again because some of the updates are on the way, so I'm not gonna disturb these kind of updates for now. This is the way, guys. Now how to remove and add these heavy T-storm like the weather information. Just right click on it and just go here. Now you can see here turn off. Just turn it off, it will turn off. If it's turn off, you want to add it back, then simply right click here on the taskbar, then go again on the same settings, turn off, just uncheck these options, and once again just go there. You can see here. Now it's all on you how you want to tweak your operating system, your weather report. If you want to tweak it, you can see here there's different settings, different style type of settings, so you can tweak it. Yeah, this is the way, guys. You can simply add your weather T-storm weather report in your taskbar, or whether you want to remove it. This is the way, guys. You can simply add and remove. I hope you like this video. Please hit the subscribe button and share it with friends. If you have any kind of issue with your operating system, you can simply drop your comment. I'll respond to you as soon as possible, and see you in the next video. Till then, just take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.